Welcome back, everybody, to the Hot Rod Guy Garage. Today we're working on the 70. I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you kind of what we got going on. Alright, as you can see, my new headlights came in. I got those installed into the headlight stands for the Cobra grill. And I've been working along, trying to get stuff kind of cleaned up in here and what have you. But I got our filler panels that I'd ordered. I got them in there and they're painted. So at this point, I'm going to tape off the bumper and the fender extension here. I'm going to sand in here our grill filler and up around the headlight bezels, and I'm going to spray that black in there. So follow along with me and let's see how far we get today. Alright, everybody, as you can see, I got this all taped up. I didn't bother to tape a whole lot back that way. I'm literally just painting red. And as you've seen, I scuffed it with a Scotch-Brite pad. And then I just wiped it down with a little acetone on a towel. I will run over this with a tack cloth. And then we'll go in here with some trim black and we'll spray this. And alright, we got our first couple of mist coats on here. And the reason why I didn't tape everything up is because this is not a show car. I've explained that several times. But I still gotta, next coat should cover it completely and we'll be done painting black. But previously, I'd rebuilt our headlight stands. They're blasted and painted. Other than that, guys, it's kind of slow go. We're waiting on paint to dry at this point. So I'll be back here in just a few. Maybe we can get this last coat on here and we'll be in business. And alright, guys, I got the headlight stands installed. Got it all bolted down. Got our headlights plugged up. So at this point, we're ready to start assembling and mocking up the grill. So on the Cobra grill, you have to start with the center of the grill, and then your bezels will go on. So let me dig around and see if I can find some screws, and we'll see if we can't get this in here. Well, dug around and found a handful of stainless screws. These are a little too long, but they'll work for now. Well, we got our center grill in. I still got to dig out my support braces for the center. I'm going to work on getting the headlight bezels on. I'm going to have to take them back off because I'm going to have to do a little cleaning and modifying. that I want to do to them. So let me grab him and I'll be right back. Alright, I got my headlight bezel. I'll get it on here. But looking pretty good. Getting kind of excited here, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the other one on with a screw, and I'll be right back. And alright, we got our grill. Let's just say mocked up at this point. I still got to put some more screws in. I still got to get the center braces on. But this looks more like the car when I had it. And this stuff was super important to me. Not only, you know, the look of it, okay? But we all lose friends over the years. And the grill that was in this car, I'd got from a good friend of mine. Same with this hood that's on this car. So, when you have friends that help you out over the years, you know, stuff like that kind of sticks with you. So, it was super important for me to get this car back somewhat like it was. You know, even though this grill was a 71 grill with the 71 bezels and the smooth center trim, I went ahead and put a Cobra style grill back in it. But as you can see, we kind of got the same look, and it kind of ties in with everything else I've already done. Like I said before, I've had a bunch of people tell me I was building a clone car. I'm not building a clone car, I'm building my car. This car will never be sold. It will never be misrepresented for what it is. So, you can call it a clone if you want to, but it's not. So, I'm going to continue on here. I'm going to see if I can get my screws, the rest of my screws in here. And we'll do a little polishing on the bezels and on the center trim. Now that it's all assembled. And I'll dig around and see if I can't find a little support braces. I know I've got a set of those here somewhere. So, stick around and let's see what happens. Well guys, other than mounting my lanyards for my hood pins, we're pretty much installed. Super happy with it. And for the people that said that you could tell it was fixed, once installed in the car, you cannot absolutely not tell. Once again, like I said before, it's not perfect, and neither is this old car, and nor will it ever be. It's always been just a fun car for me. So, super happy with it. Looks pretty awesome. Looks more like it used to. And at this point, if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you like this video. Share it with your friends. And most importantly, it helps me out and helps you out. Subscribe. You'll get notified when a new video comes out. So, until then, I'll see you tomorrow.